Hi everyone, it's Chelsea. For case study number 2, I decided to research the AAC device, which helps people who are nonverbal communicate. What does AAC stand for? AAC stands for Augmentative and Alternative Device. An AAC device is a tablet or laptop that helps someone with a speech or language impairment to communicate. The term AAC device is often used interchangeably with terms like speech generating device or assistive communication device or simply communication device. AAC devices help users to communicate through a combination of words, sentences, and images that the device then says out loud. Additionally, users can also communicate by typing or drawing, sharing pictures or video, and even repeating words they hear out loud. Who does the AAC help? Students or people who may suffer from aphasia, autism, apraxia, dysarthria, developmental disabilities, traumatic brain injuries, or primary progressive aphasia. Questions regarding the AAC. Does an AAC device have to be used all the time? The short answer is no. You don't have to use the device all the time. Verbal speech is always encouraged. Additionally, there may be times when a gesture can be faster than using a device. However, an AAC device is a great tool to have in your toolbox for communicating complex messages, particularly to people with whom you are less familiar. This can help make you more independent. Does using an AAC device delay speech? Research shows that the opposite is true. Using a device can have a positive impact on speech and language skills. Many users report an increase in speech after they start using an AAC device. This is because devices offer stimulation that can help language recovery or acquisition. Do I need an AAC device if others can somewhat understand me? At times, you might be able to communicate certain words and phrases clearly. However, at other times, you may get stuck and be unable to communicate the right words or complex thoughts and stories. In these cases, an AAC device can be very helpful by allowing you to use more meaningful words and phrases to share important messages. What are the benefits of the AAC device? Increase independence for everyday activities, the ability to better participate in a day-to-day life, fewer communication breakdowns, better connection with family and friends. AAC device also provides therapeutic benefits. Simply using a device has been shown to improve language skills, and many individuals experience an increase in verbal speech. Lingraphica AAC devices also offer activities, videos, and quizzes that can improve speech and cognition. And that is the end of that. Thank you.